Hi, this is my new YouTube channel, and today it's about math, and we're gonna be working on partial product way. So first, our first thing we do is we get the 30. So we're gonna do 32 times 17. So 32. If you break that up between tens and ones, you get 30 and 2. So 30 plus 2, and that equals 32. So you get that from that. So you put those there. Or you could call it the window way because it kind of looks like a window. But then you take the 17, right, and you turn that into a 10 because the 10 is there, and the 7 because that's in the ones place, and that equals 17. Or I just do equals 17 right there. So now what you do, now that you have all these numbers, you go over, so the 10, if you want to do this box, you do 10 over up, and then you get 30. So you drop these two zeros, you can cross them out if you want, and you drop them there. So now you do 3 times 1 from the 30 and the 10. So you do 3 times 1, and you get 3. So now that the 3 is there, you do that. And then over here, if you want to get this box, you take the 10 over and then up 2. So you get 0 here, you can drop that 0 from there, and then do 1 times 2. That gets you to 2. So that gets you 20. So next, you do the 30 and 7. So you drop the 0 down here, and then you take the 7 and the 3 and you multiply them together. So you get 21. So now that you have it like that, so the 7 times 30 is 210. Now that you have 2, now you do 7 times 2, which is 14, because that's a pretty simple multiplication problem. So then you do 34 plus 510, and you get 500, which equals 544. So now I'm going to review with you guys. So you drop the zeros, so you get those two zeros there. Then you do 1 times 3, so you get 300 is that answer. Then you get 10 times 2, pretty easy multiplication problem, 20. So now that you have those, you do 7 times, well, drop the 0, and 7 times 3 is 21, so 210, yep. And 7 times 2 is 14, which gets you all correct. You add them together down. What I do is add them together down, or you could add them together all like this. So you can do 300 plus 210 plus 20 plus 14. And you add them all together, and you get 544. So that is the partial product way, which you can use on basically any 2-digit multiplication problem.